Electric blankets are designed to provide warmth during cold season using controlled electrical heating. But have you ever wondered how an electrical blanket is actually made inside a factory? In this video, we will explore the complete manufacturing process of an electric blanket step by step. The manufacturing process begins with the fabric selection and preparation. Soft, skin-friendly materials such as fleece or cotton blends are used for comfort and insulation. The fabric is carefully cut into precise size to match the blanket design. Next, insulated heating wires are placed inside the blanket. These special resistance wires generate heat when electricity flows through them. The wires are arranged in a zigzag pattern to ensure even heat distribution across the entire blanket. Temperature sensors and control units are then installed. These components monitor heat level and prevent overheating. The control unit allows users to adjust temperature settings safely and easily. Once all internal components are in place, the blanket layers are assembled. Workers carefully secure the heating wires between fabric layers. This manual assembly ensures proper alignment, durability, and safe operation. Every electric blanket undergoes strict quality and safety testing. Technicians check heat distribution, electrical safety, and overall performance. Only blankets that meet safety standards move to the final stage. After testing, the electric blankets are neatly folded and prepared for packaging. Each product includes safety instruction and a control unit for customer use. The blankets are now ready for distribution. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes manufacturing process, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more industrial and engineering projects. Link in description. Thanks for watching.